In this video, we will explain how to use the guide function on Valley Fiber TV. Let's start by pressing the guide button on your remote. Once open, you may navigate through the guide with the directional buttons. Use the down button to navigate down the guide and the up button to navigate up. Use the right directional button to scroll ahead and see future programming. Or use the left button to see past programming. Don't forget that many of the channels on Valley Fiber TV allow you to go back up to 30 hours to watch previously run programming. When selecting a currently airing program, simply press the OK button to open the live program. If you already know which channel you'd like to go to and know the number associated, you can use the number pad on the remote to go to your desired channel. I'm in the mood for sports, so let's go to channel 201 and see what's on TSN. It may be useful to note that the numbers on Valley Fiber TV are organized by category. For instance, in the 200s you can find sports, in the 300s you can find children's programming, in the 400s you can find national news, and in the 500s you can find regional news. If you want to go back to the previous channel, press the last button to bring up a menu of channels you've recently visited and navigate to the channel you desire to return to. Alternatively, you may also hold the last button to go straight back to your last viewed channel. This has been a walkthrough of Valley Fiber's TV guide and associated features. Thank you. And if there's more that you would like to learn, please check out our other tutorials on YouTube or in the Valley Fiber TV VOD section.